everyone, welcome to my newest outfit of the day video. My look lately because of my health issues and the weather has been cozy but cute chic. Anyway, today's video focuses on three colors, pink, blue, and gold, and similar shades within those realms. So let's get to it and see what I came up with. So all together today, and what you can see right now, is my pink burnout blouse from Nordstrom Rack, a blue printed floral scarf from Target, black jogger pants from Torrid, my lovely animal print cane, amongst other things I'm about to tell you about. I really love how versatile this look is for someone like me who has mobility issues, and of course I'm unfortunately not wearing shoes. Right here is one of my favorite bracelets, a daughter heart bracelet from Alex and Ani my mom got me for my 22nd birthday last year. I adore the tiny crystal accent and Alex and Ani all together. On my other hand is a coral pink and gold toned stretchy beaded bracelet I also got from Target a few years ago. I love it so much it's withstood the test of time of at least 6 years. Following that is one of my favorite purses I've come to own. This is a metallic gold Marc Jacobs crossbody, including my Fox keychain because I adore them. It's perfect for any outfit since it's neutral and has yet to let me down. What's in my bag, you may ask? Curly Girl by Tarte, of course. The lip product I'm wearing today, without a full face, sorry, is one of my new, for me, favorite Chanel lipsticks in the shade Ina. It's super sparkly and went very well with today's theme, plus this style of lipstick is actually very moisturizing. And here's just a closer look of what it looks like on my lips. And to kind of go with the gold theme, I decided to use my Saint-Tropez Luminous Face Veil today to kind of add on to the, whole bronzed babe thing. And lastly, you see my dog and me showing off a moonstone ring, as well as my nail polish in the color Corallium by Chanel. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. It's been kind of a rough time with my health issues and whatnot lately, so I wanted to make something short but sweet. So I had a little something to do today, and hopefully my pain and stuff gets a little better soon so I can start making some better content for you guys. Alright, thanks so much. Don't forget to like this video, comment if you desire, and make sure to subscribe. Alright, mwah, bye!